The last and most important factor in this trade is I think that there could be a massive kicker due to Freeport-McMoRan. And there's a really interesting story behind that about how Freeport-McMoRan started underperforming the copper market dramatically in the last 5 years. They got away from their knitting in 2012 and they acquired some Gulf of Mexico energy companies. Okay, caused a massive exodus from the stock because the long-only holders are looking at their prized copper possession and saying, I can't model this against copper anymore. You know, what are you guys doing to me? So fast forward to 2017, Freeport has shed all of their energy assets. They're back to being a metals and mining company. They've got another story that is about to be a by-the-headline fact, in my opinion. The Grasberg mine in Indonesia. Okay, the government of Indonesia decided that they need to wet their beak on the Grasberg mine because it's on their territory. Freeport uses Grasberg to start making copper, and it really lowers their production cost of copper. So it's a major holding for them. That has been in dispute for, I think, 3 full years now, and we are about to get resolution. Freeport is going to sell a piece of that company to Indonesia. It's going to get spun off. And what that is going to turn Freeport-McMoRan into is back into a pure metals and mining play. I like the copper exposure. I think that it is going to dramatically catch up to the copper price. And I also like the cobalt exposure because now we're moving into an electronic vehicle phase and they take approximately 3 times as much copper wiring to wire an electric vehicle as it does to wire a gas guzzler. Right? Gas guzzlers take about 50 pounds of copper wiring. Electronic vehicle takes about 150 pounds of copper wiring, plus a lot of cobalt to run the lithium-ion battery. So I think Freeport is going to be a good exposure to service that industry. And like I said, it has been underperforming dramatically in the last 3 years. And I think that when that underperformance closes, it's really going to vault the XME into positive territory next year.